The Galaxy A23 is a device released by Samsung in the A series line that is overpriced and it is not worth your money. Here is why. What's up guys, it's Michael and I love the 6.6 inches screen size on the Galaxy A23. Perfect for my hands. Even though it comes with a downgraded TFT display, the manufacturer made it look very attractive by tweaking the saturation a bit, but don't expect deep blacks and amazing colors. With its 1080p resolution, you can stream content without straining your eyes. The Galaxy A23 still retains that glossy red from the predecessor, but a design similar to the Galaxy A33 5G. If you have sweaty hands like me, you will need to purchase a case. It is made of plastic, which makes it very durable and prone to scratches, which I already have some at the rear but are not that visible because of the color variant I have, which is peach. With a starting price of 120,000 naira or $210, you can get the Galaxy A23 at various online and offline stores, with the base model having 64 gig and it also comes in 128 gig. Totally not worth it at the price. Performance is decent, good for basic tasks and not heavy usage. Gaming on the 6nm Snapdragon 680 is pretty good on default settings, but the device gets a bit warm after 10 minutes of gaming. You can check out my gaming review here with the link in the description box below, and if you are finding this video helpful, a sub to the channel will be much appreciated. Also, we get 3 years of major software updates till Android 15. That aside, this device runs on Android 12 out of the box with One UI 4.0 skin that was slapped on here. It isn't the full version because we don't get screen recording and some other exciting features, but you will enjoy the user experience. With the quad camera setup at the rear and a single selfie camera, photos taken on here are 2.3/5, and I would love to tell you that you shouldn't take low light photos because it will look very horrible on humans. It has optical image stabilization at 1080p, which is the max recording quality. We have a mono speaker on this device with an average sound quality paired alongside a 3.5mm headphone jack at the right spot on the bottom left corner. With the awesome 5000 mAh battery, I got about 7 hours of screen on time with mobile data and 90Hz refresh rate turned on. Charging takes over 2 hours with the included 15W power brick. That is if Lagos electricity allows you, or you can purchase a supported 25W power brick from the brand, which takes about 90 minutes to fully charge. It has a fingerprint sensor on the power button, but it doesn't unlock fast. A bit of delay, but it gets the job done. The Samsung Galaxy A23 is a good budget device which is overpriced and not what the money is asking for. You are better off buying other brands at its price range. You can check out my gaming review on this device here, or you can check out my short unboxing here. Don't forget to check out this playlist here.